Step 3. Sign in and create an account. On the upper right corner, click Sign In button. Once you click Sign In button, below the Authentication tab, you will see two columns, which are Create an Account and Already Registered. But in this example, I will go to Create an Account section to register. By simply typing in your personal email address inside the text box. Just in case you don't have an email address yet, go to www.gmail.com or www.yahoomail.com and register. After typing in your personal email address, click Create an Account button.